everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a clean with me. I have a whole big old to-do list. My house is a mess because this last week was the boys' spring break and I did not film or edit any videos the whole time. A lot of my videos are done weeks in advance, so who knows when you will even see this one. It might be a few weeks later that you'll be seeing this. So I'm just going to take you along with me. Today's not going to be like a deep clean. I'm just going to go through and pick up the entire house. The playroom is a complete disaster, so I might do a whole separate video on that. I'm not sure yet if I'll even have time to do that, but yeah, I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour and hope to get most of the house cleaned up. So come along with me. Alexa, set timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
Alexa, how much time is left?
You have 52 minutes left on your 1 hour timer.
8 minutes down, 1 room down. Looks like it's time for me to clean the boys' bathroom again. Looks kind of messy. And that broke off the wall. Yeah. So that's why those are on the ground. See the drywall? Yep. Boys. My oldest room is his own, so he will do that this afternoon after school.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it. We make it.
just make a pile there to carry up next time I go upstairs.
Take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you.
Alexa, how much time is left?
Oh my baby.
40 minutes left, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this kitchen and then do the floors.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. No alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, can't.
Alexa, how much time is left?
You have 26 minutes left on your 46-minute timer.
Oh, just enough time to do the floors. Woohoo!
Coals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
falling down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found.
Can't wait till they get up there and hopefully hear these words. Well done.
You don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
How much time is left?
You have 10 minutes left on your 46-minute timer.
Okay, 10 minutes to spare and I'm all done. That was my workout for the day. Floors are still wet. I did not do the living room floors. I just did the main area. We're mainly in this room and in the kitchen, but this room is picked up. So just need to put the vacuum away and take the stuff upstairs, and that is it. Okay friends, that's it for this Power Hour Clean with me. Hopefully you have found this video motivational. Maybe you'll go clean something in your house today. I will see you all in the next video. Bye friends. Let's do this way.